My name is Isabel. I am here at Gaston College, and my pathway is networking and cyber defense. When I was younger, I used to love hacking. I actually guessed a lot of passwords to people's accounts, which is really bad. I would say don't just do that. I was a kid, but I also was very curious on how computers worked in general. And I found it really interesting. So I started doing a certification for Google, and it taught me a lot of the basics of just IT in general. So I realized that I really liked hacking and the networking part of it. So that's why I decided to choose this career. Currently at the moment, I'm trying to just try a bunch of different things to see what I like. I'm still learning as well. So I want to do more research on what I really actually specifically I want to get into. But I also just like to try new things. So I'm down just to right now figure things out as I go. So being one of the first students was really nice. I got to learn a lot of Python, which I had never done before. I also learned how to create a web scraper. Again, I haven't been able to do that before. One of my goals is to actually get really in depth with the Python. So it helped me just take that first step to being able to do that. It also helped me rid of a lot of anxiety that I have with communicating and networking with people. I was able to talk with some businesses and talk with coworkers in general and be able to get out of my comfort zone as a person. But in general, as cybersecurity, it's helped me learn a lot of facts about it. So with the research that we had done, I gained a lot of new information or just was able to retain a lot of the information that I learned through schooling.